Hello everyone. uh, in this video I'm going to show how to use the breakout momentum scanner to be able to trade. So I'm at the Akashx back office. So first of all, what you need to do over here is to check on the top left hand corner of the page, these three horizontal lines here. You click on it. Now when you come here, after clicking on the lines, this is what you see. This is the menu you see. Now have you seen this academy? Click on it. All right, so this is the next page it will take you to. Take a look at these lines too at the top here. Click on that one too. Now this is the draw down, the next menu. You scroll a little bit and check through. Look for scanners, which is here. I hope you can see it's scanners. So you click on it. So these are the available scanners in the Akashx app at the Academy. We have one golden rain scanner. This is the gold scanner. This is the elite sniper. This is blaze scanner. This is breakout momentum scanner, the pivot point reversal, and the smart cash scanner. Now our focus in this video is centered on breakout momentum, which is this one. So you click on it. Now when you click on it, leave it. This is how it's going to be. So you just click here or tap here on this white space to get rid of the menu. So I tap there. Now you have your scanner. So when you get to the scanner, basically what do? We are trading gold. So or whichever pair you want to trade, you search for it here. But we trade gold. Wealth Hub, we mainly trade gold. So I'm going to use gold as an example in this video. So basically you would have to scroll to search for gold. Now to save yourself the stress of scrolling, just click on these blue lines here. So you click on it. Now over here you see market, forex, commodities, crypto, stocks, indices. Our attention is on this commodities. Click on it and then click apply. All right, so here we are. We have our gold here. So once I have seen gold, the first thing I'll be looking out for is what is gold the scanner asking me to do. What is the direction of the trade the scanner is giving me signal to perform. So here it's a buy. The scanner is calling gold for a buy. The scanner is asking you to go and buy gold. Yes. So that is one. Under the buy, we see it has indicated the entry price. That is the price at which you should execute your trades. Now the next line is score. This score is indicating signal strength. So we have 2 here. So the score ranges from 1 to 3. Though other scanners like the gold scanner do even give has up to 5 score. Now, if it is 1, if you open and the score here is 1, I beg, don't take that trade, because I personally will not, I will not even waste time. I will leave the scanner alone and go, then come back later to check for another signal, because 1 is a weak signal, so just let it be. But if it is 2, it's a strong signal, and 3 is even stronger. Yes. So now that we have seen the entry price, we know the direction of the trade, and we have seen the signal strength, it means that this 2 is fine. So we can dig further. There's we you move to the next stage. And which is the next stage? The next stage, you tap on this gold. When you tap on gold, scroll down, you see the gold charts. You see the gold charts here. Yes, so here we are at the gold charts. When I come to the charts, what am I looking for? Already I know gold has asked me to, the scanner has asked me to buy gold. Now, and I want confirmation. You basically come here to confirm the signal. You just don't look at this and run to the chart to place trade. Gold has a breakout momentum has called for a buy. This is the entry price. Then you just jump in. No, you need to look for certain things to confirm. So here, once it is a buy, what I expect to see in this chart is 1, this arrow, a green arrow at the bottom of the chart pointing upwards. That is what I expect to see, which is here. So fine, we have seen our first sign that confirms the buy. Now the next sign is, have you seen this thin line that cuts across the charts? Thin line ending under the arrow. A very thin line like that. It is called exponential moving average. Now, this exponential moving average, if you are looking to buy, if the signal is a buy signal, what you should expect is to see price at the top or above the exponential moving average. That validates the signal at the top or above the exponential moving average. The entry price the scanner has quoted should be seen at above the exponential moving average. All right. Now, if here was a sell and you get to the charts, what you should be expecting is a red arrow. A red arrow. Now, take note that you should always look for the arrow at the right hand side of the chart. Not here, not in the middle, not at the left, not in the middle, not nowhere. At the right hand side, that is where the current trade or candles are appearing. So you check it from there. So that is it. So if it was a sell, the arrow, you should have been looking for an arrow at the top of the chart pointing downwards, as in this one. Now note that this one, all these pink arrows you see here, they were red. They were sell signals that were red. Seeing it in this color, pink, appearing pink like this, shows that it has expired. So hence the color has faded. Likewise, these green, light greens you are also seeing arrows were buy signals which were green, as in this one. So they are now faded because those signals have expired. So when this current signal expires, it will also fade up. So that is it. That is how the the breakout momentum works. So if it is a buy first, you expect to see an arrow, a green arrow at the bottom of the chart pointing upwards. If it is a sell, and then two, the entry price should be above the exponential moving average. But if it is a sell, you need to see a red line, a red arrow at the top of the chart pointing downwards. And the price should be below the exponential moving average. All right, I hope that helps. Now, there is this very important thing I want to emphasize. Let's go to the charts. Okay. At the charts, I hope we all know that candles move or price move in two directions. It's either it's either moving upwards or it's moving downwards. That's bullish trend and then a bearish trend. Now, before you first attempt to place a trade, you must take a look at the charts. So when you see things like something like this, it is moving down. Sorry. So this trend, oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Yes, I'm here. So when you see something like this, here, it's moving downwards. That's bearishness. So like this is selling. Like this is buying. Down like this is selling. Up like this is buying. Down is selling. Up is selling. However, when you see it like this, when you come to the chart and you see it like this, it's neither moving up nor down. So there's no clear direction. I beg you, my brother, my sister, don't consult the scanner. The scanner will still give signal. It will still ask you to buy or sell. But there is no clear direction in the market. If you take the trade, you end up blaming the scanner. Before you consult the scanner for a signal, you must make sure that the market is giving a clear direction. Either it is trending upwards or it is trending downwards. Before you then consult the scanner to get a signal. Okay? However, note also that the scanner does not give parameters. The scanner does not give parameters. It's only parameters as in stop loss, take profits. No, the scanner doesn't give that. It only gives you the entry price with which to execute your trades. So that is it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much and happy trading.